Oh, this place looks so dangerous.
Listen, Annabelle, this is no adventure trip. This means war. This ghetto girl is trying to steal your absolutely gorgeous husband. You need to put her in her place once and for all.
That is exactly what I'm going to do when I meet this teacup from Maiden Lane. She has no idea what she has coming. I'm going to tell it to her. It'll give her a piece of my mind.
Set her straight.
Hello, ladies. Good day. Is this 35 Maiden Lane?
No. No. Ah, yes.
I beg your pardon?
Look here. No, we're not lady. No, things not good. Yeah, I'm Maiden Lane. So what?
I'm here to ascertain if this is the permanent residence of an individual known as Tika.
I
Asawa?
want you to get out of my man. I want you.
Okay, what she's trying to say is she wants to know if there's a girl named Tika that lives here.
Ah! You mean good up, tick with a purpose, body Tika, not Tika. Upa with tonic, Sashaya. Yeah.
I mean, touch on what Tika. A.K.A. Tika the Tika.
Hey!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stereo.
I live in Cora.
You are Tika?
Yeah, me name good Tika.
My name is Annabelle Arlington Demacado.
Nice.
Demacado? Does that surname ring a bell? How could you? And what is thinking?
No, hold on, Tosh. I'll be on the head like this. What do you on there? Woman, hurry up and ask a question there. Because later I scream to the ground to the man here and news. I forget them. You understand? What is the complaint there, Carla?
You're messing with her man.
Oh! I'm coming to comes for war! But I cheated me the war without, you know. My seasonings up, my pepper and Sasha. Boy, Kashai! I can't body pronounce that for arrival.
This is no joke.
Look here, woman. Look at me left here. Good. Listen to your earthing. Come to your friend and your earthing. Oh, God. Look here, we don't want your man. We don't know your man. They are upset with dinner.
My husband. And I'm here to categorically demand that you desist.
Where's the woman now? Categorically? God, you go to school. Transfer, what do you get? What you say?
My girl, the breed, I want them to share you now. And they will face teeth like Peter Phillips budget.
Hey!
You can't touch that try down you. In our tongue stylish.
I don't want to be the girl on our son. I don't want to be the girl. I swear to you.
Tell her the things you hurt her. Tell her what you think of her.
How could you?
Look here, woman. You asked it already. You're over here. She said, no. Empire now. Dent up by the crystal.
Hooray! What a good body! Wow!
The things you hurt her.
How could you? You degenerate, diabolical individual to do even think to be with another individual. Gentlemen, you should stop it. Stop it. Do you hear me? How could you? I'm here to categorically demand that you cease and desist and refrain from my man.
I see him
How
something.
could you? Do you hear me? How could you? You think she heard me?
She heard you.
I think so.
She heard you.
Oh, God. Don't cry me, don't cry me. No, I'm not even my life for you. Your life is solid tragic. Tragic. Okay, I knew that. The box again. Hear it. You hear me? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? I like it. It puts you.
Tika!
Yeah.
But how could you?
What are you doing here?
Jeremy, how could you? And with this woman.
Woman. And what is this? You know, it's a tracking device I use to find you down here.
I know everything. I know you're cheating. I found found this paper in Crystal's apartment with your handwriting on it. Here. It says partnering with Tika is the best thing ever, and it has this address, 35 middle name on it.
Honey, Tika is a manufacturing company in London, England. And the address is 35 Maiden Garden, Covenant Close. It's in London, England, that's the address.
Yes, and I mean I'm not Tika Nelson. But you don't want to born man.
Look, the note was just, it was just business. Don't worry. We've already caused enough embarrassment down here. Come on, let's go. Crystal can drive your car. You come with me, all right?
Oh, wait, hold on. What was your note doing in Crystal's apartment? You have never been to Crystal's apartment? What?
Hey!
No! Jeremy! Crystal! Oh,
The idea of Antica Show.